Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can fade in and fade out your audio, your music in Adobe Premiere. So it's really simple. The first option is go to Effects, Audio Transitions. Audio Transitions, Crossfade. You will have a constant gain which goes smooth and then it slowly starts, or exponential fade which goes like this and boom. So when you're gonna use constant gain, just paste it on the beginning of your video. Let's zoom it in and you can see it right here, and let's play it. You could see it really good. Now you can take the constant gain, let's delete this, and paste it on the end of your video. Wait a second. But we need to paste it really long. So just click here and make it much longer. Like this. Like this. Wait a second. And now the second option you can do is exponential fade, and I will show it on the beginning of the video. Like this, let's see. Let's make it longer. And it will start directly. This is a wonderful song. So yep, this is how you actually make it. This is how you make the fade in and fade out in Adobe Premiere. If you like this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll really thank you for that. Thank you very much everybody, and goodbye.